Hi guys and welcome to the video. Now on the 13th of January I have my first bonus of the year going live for a site called OmniSitesAI. Now this builds sites, but it doesn't just build sites, the normal way as you'd think. This is a full AI site builder and it is amazing. On the 13th of January I'll give you a full review, a full walkthrough. Today I want to tell you about my bonuses and my giveaways. Now my bonuses that I have for OmniSites, again, are amazing. They're unbeatable. Now let's scroll down here so you can see these. Now the first one I've got is Lead Orbit. Now this is a lead scraper. So you actually scrapes your leads from Google. Now the great thing about these bonuses, they're not available for the bundle. They're not available for upsells. They're all available on the front end. So you'll get everything I'm going to show you for the front end purchase. Okay, so I've got 6 white label apps. The first one is Lead Orbit, and the next one, you can see what this does here. It tells you all about it. The next one is Real Campaign AI. This is a short form campaign builder. The next one is Shorts to Social AI. This turns kind of a short video into a full multi-platform campaign. I've got Trend Hook AI. What this does, it finds the trends for whatever hooks you want, whatever kind of niche you're trying to target, it'll find the hooks. Got Viral Hashtag Miner. So this will find you the hashtags that are going to go viral. So I've got Offer Vision AI. Now this is a TikTok platform. Now for every one of these apps, I'm going to give resellers. You've got 6 resellers for each of those done for you apps. So you've got full resell rights, you've got marketing, you've got sales pages, you've got delivery pages, and a complete marketing pack as well. Okay, so you've got 6 full reseller packages with white label and source code. And I've got the done for you bundle reseller. So what this does, it lets you sell the 6 apps as one bundle. We know how hot bundles are right now. And then we've got White Glove App Build, where we will build and set up the 6 apps for you, so you don't have to do that. We've got White Glove Payment Integration. Now with this, we will set up the payment for the 6 apps. So simple to do, but we will do it for you, so you get your apps ready to go and ready to sell. Then we've got the 7 Funnel Empire System. This includes 7 done for you funnels. And then we've got White Label Funnels Pro. Now this, as it says, it's an upgrade bonus, but you only have to purchase the front end. Okay, so this gives you access to Funnel Architect, Funnel Copy Master, and Funnel Script Creator. Again, you get source code and everything included. And then we've got these other great bonuses as well. So I think you'll agree, no one's going to beat this, and this is all for the front end, remember that. So 13th of January, 11 AM Eastern Standard. Now, we've got some amazing giveaways over the next 3 days as well. So come down to the bottom and we'll be updating these all the time. So day 2 will have new downloads, day 3 will have new downloads as well. So make sure that you claim those. But make sure that you bookmark this, because on the 13th, no one will beat this bonus. 6 full apps with reseller, with white label, with source code, set up for you, and your ability to sell them as a bundle as well. Now this should be an upgrade or a bundle bonus, but it's not. It's on the front end, very limited. We've only got 30 spots, so make sure that you jump in quickly. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.
Some bread crosses. 2 slices left. Oh, it's over. Do you want white or do you want cider?
I'm not bothered either.
White?
Yeah.
White?
Yeah, I love white.